almost like a walk in history and nature. There's so many years behind this, and people are so fast-paced in this world. It's just kind of nice to come to a place that has modern amenities, but you can let go to an era where things were kind of kinder and gentler.
It's such a wonderful thing to have a different menu presented to them every night, especially in a hotel and a restaurant like ours where people will stay 2 weeks. Different choices. It makes it wonderful fun for our guests.
Actually, our chef considers it a Caribbean fusion. It's a mixture of the different cultures in the area. Anything that grows locally, we try to sort of mix together with the other cultures that are in the area.
This is a sweet potato and lime chili soup. It's really just a wonderful, it's just a wonderful balance. Lights up in your mouth. The Lobster L'Antillaise has coconut, tamarind. It has a little bit of cream in there also. It's just another really nice subtle influence of flavors.
Rack of lamb. This is an herb-crusted rack of lamb with a Cabernet sauce with apricots and mushrooms.